Welcome to the most effective and high-quality evergreen Facebook Live marketing video training. We are so excited to have you here, and we know this is going to be very helpful for you. This is a complete and high-quality video training, which will surely help you to learn exactly what you need to know about Facebook Live marketing, and why it is the easiest way ever for you to make some great money over the web by using effective Facebook Live marketing. Let's start now step by step. These video tutorials are overflowing with strategies, resources and best practices that will radically improve the way your business uses Facebook Live to connect with your market and grow your brand. Video number 1. Facebook Live Marketing HD Video Training. Let's unfold the modules. Video number 2. Facebook Live, an overview. Video number 3. Why is Facebook Live big deal for marketers? Video number 4. Facebook Live predictions for 2017. Video number 5. Getting started, developing a Facebook Live plan. Video number 6. How to use Facebook Live. Video number 7. Best practices for using Facebook Live for marketing. Video number 8. How to increase your Facebook Live video reach. Video number 9. Using Facebook Live for your YouTube channel. Video number 10. Ideas for creating appealing Facebook Live content. Video number 11. How can brands grow with Facebook Live? Video number 12. Monetizing Facebook Live, getting started with ad breaks. Video number 13. Tools Guide to creating engaging Facebook Live broadcasts. Video number 14. How to repurpose Facebook Live videos for marketing. Video number 15. Top 5 Facebook Live metrics that marketers need to know. Explore the tools and tips shared in these expert training videos, which are simple yet sophisticated enough to take your Facebook Live marketing strategy to the next level, no matter where you're starting from. Video number 2. Facebook Live, an overview. Many businesses, from auto manufacturers to makeup companies, are using Facebook Live to grow their audiences. Brands that are new to live streaming, however, might be wondering how to plan and launch a successful Facebook Live video. So, let's get started. What is Facebook Live? Facebook Live Video is the social network's live streaming video functionality. Users can broadcast live videos using only their smartphones. It's available to all pages and profiles on Facebook for iOS, Android, and the Facebook Mentions app. Features. Not only does Facebook Live give brands access to an immense audience, potentially the entirety of Facebook, which currently boasts 1.13 billion daily active users, it also offers a range of features. 1. Notifications. By default, users' live video notifications are set to on. People who frequently engage with or have recently interacted with a person or page going live may receive a notification. 2. Invite friends. When a user is watching a broadcast, they can choose to send an invitation to a friend to watch with them. This option is available from within the live video. 3. Maps. The map displays all live broadcasts currently happening around the world, each one represented by a blue dot, with larger dots indicating more popular broadcasts. 4. Live reactions. Facebook allows a broadcast's audience to react to the video stream in real time, with reactions appearing on the video itself as they are clicked by the audience. 5. Filter. Broadcasters have the option to add a filter to their live stream. There are 5 options to choose from. 6. Masks. In addition to filters, broadcasters can now also experiment with Snapchat-like masks during their live stream. 7. Facebook Live API. Facebook has recently launched Live API that enables publishers who have more sophisticated equipment to broadcast from a professional camera and audio setup rather than streaming live video from a mobile device. 8. Continuous live streaming. Through the Facebook Live API, It's now possible to broadcast continuous live video. 9. Schedule live broadcasts. When a publisher schedules a live video, an announcement will be posted to newsfeed letting their fans know the broadcast is coming. 10. Metrics. For pages, Facebook offers several different metrics to measure the success of their live video broadcasts. Besides, Facebook now provides 2 live video specific metrics: peak viewers and viewers during live broadcast. 11. Ad breaks. Facebook has started allowing publishers to insert short ad breaks in their Facebook Live videos. Facebook Live may seem intimidating at first, but with careful planning, your brand can quickly master the art of live video. Start simple and run through the items in this article each time you get ready to broadcast. Video number 3. Why is Facebook Live a big deal for marketers? To truly understand why a live video is a big deal, you have to look at the ever-increasing prominence of social video. What you should know about Facebook video. Native Facebook videos get more organic reach even without promotion. That is a whopping 135% more than photos, according to Social Bakers. Users watch 100 million hours of video on Facebook every day. Facebook boasted 8 billion video views daily as of November 2015. What you should know about Facebook Live. People comment 10 times more on Facebook Live videos than on regular videos. The average time people spend watching live videos is more than 3x longer than video that isn't live. 1 in 5 Facebook users watches Facebook Live. People in more than 60 countries can share Facebook Live video. What you should know about Facebook Live. Facebook Live video also has its own notification system. This feature gives greater prominence to live videos and helps keep brands who broadcast top of mind. When it comes to the most critical of Facebook marketing elements, organic reach, live video can be a huge help. What you should know about Facebook Live. Facebook considers live video a distinct content type from other video shared on the platform. This distinction is important for brands, because it means that the Facebook algorithm treats native video and live video differently, with live videos more likely to appear higher in newsfeed while they're live. What you should know about Facebook Live. And let's not forget expectations for live video. While viewers expect social video to be polished, audiences often enjoy the opposite in live video. In other words, there are plenty of good reasons for marketers to give Facebook Live video a try. Video number 4. Facebook Live predictions for 2017. If the Facebook changes in 2016 are an indicator, 2017 will be an interesting year for Facebook marketers. Let's find out what's in store. Number 1. Paid ads come to Facebook groups. As we move away from pages toward groups, Facebook will reduce the reach. It's a perfect opportunity for Facebook to grow an additional advertising revenue stream. Number 2. More post-production tools to be added in the Facebook Live Video Toolkit. Expect to see more studio editing and post-production tools offered to Facebook Live users with the app and on desktop. Facebook's goal is to provide content creators with the tools they need to create professional and polished content that will receive many replays. Number 3. Facebook launches its own cable TV network. Facebook is expected to either purchase a major television network or start one of its own from scratch. They'll target a high-profit niche like sports or consumer goods. Number 4. Facebook Live Video embraces advanced third-party tools. More advanced third-party tools will evolve to improve the quality of shows, integrate marketing functionality such as calls to action, and allow better community engagement opportunities. Number 5. Facebook video analytics become crucial. In 2017, we'll see marketers demand greater transparency around their Facebook video and live video analytics. Number 6. Facebook Live Video improves brand discoverability. Producing live content for an audience that wants to consume it is the most powerful marketing opportunity in 2017. Discovery is back and smart marketers will leverage it. Number 7. Facebook's video is monetized. Facebook looks to be moving towards a video-first position. More video equals more reach. More reach equals more engagement. More engagement equals brand loyalists. Brand loyalty equals more money. Number 8. Facebook pushes 360 and Arkansas/Mr. content. Facebook will continue to push for live video to become mainstream among its users worldwide, but most importantly they'll roll out live 360-degree video to everyone. The company will launch a social VR app in addition to what they already offer, further pushing users towards VR, as the platform continues to further expand its local search credentials. It will develop a more intuitive, trustworthy, and dependable ratings and reviews service that has real potential to disrupt Yelp's presence in the market, particularly among small businesses. Video number 5. Getting started. Developing a Facebook Live plan. Your brand probably already has a presence on Facebook, which means no additional app to set up. It's also super easy to get started. All you need is your smartphone. Developing a Facebook Live plan. Before you jump on the Facebook Live bandwagon, you should understand why it's such a unique medium and how it can help you better market your brand. 1. Define your goals for using Facebook Live. Start by reviewing the goals for your company, marketing department, and social media strategy. Once you've determined exactly how live video supports your marketing strategies, along with the goals you want to achieve through live streaming, it will be much easier to design your first Facebook Live campaign. 2. Select the right approach for your Facebook Live video. Facebook Live video can take many forms and be used for a variety of purposes, such as Q&As, product demonstrations, behind-the-scenes event coverage, and challenges. To figure out what's right for your brand, brainstorm 3 to 5 different types of live videos you might want to create. 3. Promote your Facebook Live video before you broadcast. It's a good idea to publish at least one post with the time and date of your broadcast before you go live. You can also use Facebook's interest targeting capabilities to boost the reach of your announcement, ensuring that more people who fit your target demographic see your live content. 4. Set up the right equipment for your Facebook Live video. Facebook Live video can be shot on mobile, with support for iOS and Android, and with Live API also. Make sure that your sounds and lighting are good enough. Also ensure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection and a good 4G signal. 5. Designate someone to monitor comments. If you have a large audience tuning into your live video, with a tool like Sprinkler, you can make sure someone keeps an eye on all of these interactions and routes them to the appropriate person. This way you will not miss a great opportunity to interact with your viewers. Sure, there are risks that come with broadcasting live to thousands or even millions of eyeballs, but a little planning can go a long way towards preventing a PR fail.